just Francine and I, and it's 6 o'clock. And we're gonna go down and get some breakfast. Everybody's shoes are just sopping wet. My sandals, same thing. Your shoes are wet. Let's go in. Maybe not. That's good for some privacy. The mud on the pilgrim shoes, just caked. And the albergues leave paper for you to put in your shoes too. We're gonna have a nice breakfast. Oh, maybe we're too early. We're having breakfast. Just about all the other pilgrims are gone. And I got a bowl of cereal here. And we got some hot coffee and
jam.
And we got some jam, and we got some of these
fruit.
We got fruit.
We got a butter. We got a bread.
We got a butter, and we got a bread, and we got the jam.
Here we are in the eye of the storm. All of us together gonna get hit by a car. Watch out! Holy shit! Woo!
It's really nice walking with a walking buddy. I hadn't anticipated walking with anybody, but yeah, there were a couple of times yesterday I was just so distraught over the rain, and my walking buddy would say, "Come on, we get there when we get there." There she is right there. Okay, well, it's 60 degrees. It's cloudy, but you wouldn't know it because it's dark outside still. And it's 7 o'clock, and we're gonna head out. I have to walk at least 2 kilometers today to get to the, nearest bus. But I'm gonna reassess and see how we're doing in 2 kilometers. If there's no rain, I'm gonna go. Looks like we're downhill all day today.
All day?
Yeah. Here's our bags for transport. Everything's going really great with that. Okay, here we go. It's a little breezy. And we're locked out now. We're locked out. I explain later. This sign right here. This is the sign that I used for all my videos for 2019. There it is. Oui. There's the town we just left from, and the sun is coming up. It's quite gorgeous. The road we're on is very muddy, but our feet are not sinking into it. And Francine has given me doggy bags to put over my socks because my shoes are wet, and she's also walking in doggy bags between her socks and her shoes. This trail is really gross. I'll show you.
I think it's nice to leave at 7.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I like that.
Part of the road is washed out here, but I think we can get over it. This is from yesterday's deluge. Let's see what we got up ahead here. Yeah, we can go around that. Okay, so far so good. We've done 4 kilometers, and it's cool, and I'm very warm under the jacket, and no rain in the forecast. I don't see any rain in front of us. It's not raining out. We've done about 4.5 kilometers already, and I decided to walk because I didn't have a fever. It's not raining, and the medication is keeping my symptoms at bay. So I feel pretty good about that. I feel really grateful that I didn't have a fever and all that. But we're making our way to Torres del Rio today. Buenos dias.
5, maybe.
Like me.
Yes, probably.
This is the first pilgrim that we've seen in, well, all day. We came from up there on that mountain. I wonder who it is. It could be that tall Frenchman that was staying in there. Maybe.
It was.
We decided to put our ponchos back on because we're sick and tired of being wet. Being wet sucks. Some commotion over here in the woods, and there's just a gaggle of sheep over there.
With the orange juice?
Yeah, with the orange juice. Okay, we're about 2 kilometers outside of Los Arcos. It rained a little bit, but entering Los Arcos. Here's the town greeting committee.
You want to wash yours? Look at that.
I want to see the geese. Hi, guys. Okay. Hi. Wow. Okay, come on. You walk on this side of me. I don't want the attack. Yeah, we've been walking 4 hours. And we've got 7 kilometers to go, and we're in Los Arcos. We're gonna walk through this arch right here. Come on along. Up under an arch. You ready? Here we go. Split it out. So we're trying to go on the branches and use your stick. So if Francine said, use your stick. Okay. Got a totally washed out trail, and Francine's trying to find a way around it.
Bad.
It's bad in the field. Shoes are getting quite muddy.
Okay, give me a second.
She's gonna do some reconnaissance.
Well, we're going this way.
Yeah, we need to cross back up over here.
My shoes.
Yeah, look
Oh,
at Francine's shoes. Look at mine. I got about, I don't know, 2 pounds of mud on each.
You too. Yeah, we're doing some.
Buen camino.
Yes, yes.
That's a first. What's a scooter?
No, it's something they know. It's we have this. They call that the trottinette.
Ah,
We have this. Oh, they have a lot of bike over there.
okay.
Oh, we're doing
Come on over here. They're gonna go over to that side, and we're gonna just film them.
I'm sorry. Bye.
Buen camino. Just the dirt up on his back. See, this way we don't get splashed.
Yes.
Buen camino.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Dirt on his back. Bikes are, and asses and everything is really, oh yeah, sporco. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Arte, puro arte.
Yeah.
Hacer un cuadro.
Yeah, un cuadro. It's just caked on. I still have a little bit of Camino crud, but it'll go away in a couple days. Just almost positive about it. So. Yeah, today we have time to relax.
Yeah, watch it dry yourself and
Dry.
redo my bag. What I'll do.
You gonna redo your bag?
Yes,
Okay.
because right now it's messy. I can't find nothing.
Francine says her bag's a messy crap hole and she can't find anything, so she's gonna have to reorganize.
Exact.
Exact. Finally arrived. We've gone just uphill. And here's our albergue. La Pata de Oca. Here we are. Oh, God, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, we have a pool.
Oh, I don't care. I will not use the food.
Oh, this is nice.
Ah, mamma mia, eh?
Ah, mamma mia.
Mamma mia, hoy